Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video of Ghost Project. This is part 2 of the series of restoring this 2010 389 Peterbilt. Right now it's already at the shop, it's right there as you can see it. In this video we're gonna be taking the old engine out and putting the new C15 twin turbo cat engine in it. We went and already bought the engine, also bought a 13-speed transmission because this thing came with a 10-speed. So I'm installing a new engine, might as well do a transmission as well, right? Too bad, I know we couldn't find a 6NZ or a 3406E that wasn't a good price and wasn't like $15,000, $18,000, because that's just a crazy amount of money, and we don't have that much money to spend on this thing because most of our capital already went into buying it. Still a cat engine, it's better than a Cummins, and it's better, even better than a blown Cummins engine. I'm gonna show you some clips that my dad recorded because I've been at school. My dad is the one that has been here and has been able to record, but he doesn't speak English, so he cannot communicate with you guys. Part 3 of this series, we're hoping that we can go for a ride. That's gonna be a dream come true, and oh my god, we cannot freaking wait. Right now we're in the junkyard, as you can see. We are getting a new engine and a new transmission for the Peterbilt, the 389. We're getting a 13-speed transmission and a cat engine, of course. Unfortunately, the cat engine that we're getting is not exactly the one that we would have wished, but the ones that everybody wishes, it's like $18,000, and we don't got that type. We don't got that type of money. A freaking 6NZ is a lot of freaking money. We don't have that type of money. So this is the engine that we're putting. This is the engine. It's a twin turbo. It's a C15. It's ugly as hell. Oh my god. This is my first time seeing the engine. My dad saw the engine already, but the engine's gonna get out of there, then they gotta take it out. The engine's gonna be taken out, then it's gonna, a mechanic of ours is gonna go over it with it's gonna check it out to see if the engine is good and all that stuff. And if the engine is good and doesn't need anything to be replaced, it's gonna get painted and all that, because it has to look good before it goes in the 18-wheeler, right? It's gonna get painted, all that stuff, and then it's gonna go into the 389 as well as the 13-speed transmission. So this thing is gonna be a beast. Our Peterbilt, the 389, has 336 differentials. So this thing is gonna fly.
Atomic particles traveling near the speed of light do decay more slowly than stationary particles. As strange and counterintuitive as it seems, time dilation is a law of nature.
Like a
provides us with a means of going to the stars.
You ready?
I started from the key.
No tenga mucho rato.
No, claro.
Dale. He's badass.
We're here at the shop. You see that right there? That little hose. That's okay. That little hose. That's like the last thing this thing needs to put water in it and start it up. So we already got that hose in, which was like $54. Just imagine a little silicone hose. It's so freaking expensive. So now we're about to put water in the engine. Not coolant, not yet. It's not ready for that yet. First we're gonna put water, and then later on we're gonna put coolant, of course. But right now they're finishing up doing whatever the finishing touches or whatever, and then after that we're gonna go put water on the engine and start it up and let it get to temperature and see if it holds temperature and if everything is working how it's supposed to work. So this is the next day from the video that you saw yesterday. We weren't able to do what we wanted to do yesterday about starting it up and putting the water in and all that stuff because it was too late already. But today they already did. I had to come over here so I could record this video. As you can see, it's still not finished. It's not finished at all. But she does have water. She does start up. So we're about to do it right now. So you guys ready? Fabio, will you do the honors?
Lucky guy.
Do the honors, Fabio. Do the honors.
Para que ponga Felipe. Felipe es el electricista que hace todos los arneses.
Even the radio.
Come on, Fabio.
Apaga las luces. Apaga los cuartos de luces.
So this is the guy who did all of this. He's the one that was able to do this crazy work because this makes my head hurts. So this is the man that made everything possible right here.
El número uno. Number one.
Number one. And he did a great job. All he has to do now, oh, by the way, everything's working. Engine brake, cruise control, everything works. Everything works. All he has to do now is fix everything up. All the cables and stuff like that, fix them all up. So we are basically almost done with this thing. This video, it's been prolonged a lot because this thing takes a lot of time, you know? So on our next video, on part 3 of this series, we are definitely 100% taking this thing for a test drive. So stay tuned for that. This part 2 of this series, it's taking me a while because it's a lot, you know? Like, I didn't want to do multiple parts and just doing updates. I just wanted to do one whole thing and putting the new engine in. So yeah, this is why this video is a little all over the place. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the next one is gonna be a good one. So stay tuned for that, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.